Leela is back operational. I'm gonna go take her for a drive, let her air on, make sure everything behaves. Should be good to go. Got the new alternator in. Finally. Fuselage fun. It's cool in here. And the compressor's not being done. Mainly because the idle is properly set. The alternator isn't a piece of crap. And I've gotten the belts to tension far better than I ever could before. Win. It's like 100 and something outside, so we're doing good. Alright, Kent, we got the door open. Got a dome light on. Dome light off with the door closed. On. Off. We got it. It works on the dome light switch.